Hello and happy Monday. It is Monday, January 25th, and here are your announcements. First off, sorry I couldn't be there today. I had a doctor's appointment this morning, so I won't be there today, but I will definitely be there tomorrow. Um, so, First announcement is some of you have noticed you got an email last night about grades. Okay, email went to you, email went to your parents. Those grades are current. That's everything that I have. Okay, so you need to do something. Look at your grades, and if it says you are missing something, that means I don't have a record of it anywhere. Okay, if it's on Google Classroom and you turned it in late or you resubmitted something, email me or write it on a piece of paper and put it in the tray so that I know to double check that so I can give you a grade for that. Okay, now if you swear you turned it in, you can check the no name pile, but that is everything that I have. Every single item that I've received is graded and put on there. All right. Announcement number two. This is what you're going to be working on today. You are going to be working on, first off, watching a video about hyperboles. Second, you're going to read an article that may impact your public service announcement. Maybe you want to use it in your speech. And then finally, you're going to work with your group. Now, I've noticed based on some feedback I've gotten in emails from students and also looking at your scripts, there are some groups that are doing a great job. But there are other groups, if I look at your file and you are the only one that is typed on that file, there's something wrong with that. That means you are not working well with your partner. Okay? You are having to do all of the work, and that's not fair. Okay? If you have not typed anything on the document, now there are a couple of rare circumstances where you guys sat together and collaborated, but all of it was by one person, but you told them what to type. But that's probably maybe one or two of you. The rest of you, you're just being lazy and not working. That's not fair to your group. Your job and your grade is going to impact and depend on how well you work together, because your partner is going to give you part of your grade. They're going to evaluate you towards the end of the week and say, how well did you do on this group project? Did you help out? Were you participating in the group? Were you giving suggestions, or were you just screwing around? Okay, so hopefully you are doing a great job. If you weren't last week, this week's the time to turn it around. Because today is the day that you need to, after you're done reading the article and making your notes on the margins, and it says to highlight on the article and underline on the article or circle, follow the instructions carefully on the article. But when you're done with the article, you need to turn that script, that outline that you did, into something more interesting. Because right now it's just kind of blah. Okay, it's just a list of facts and some reasons and stuff, but it doesn't have some pizzazz to it. So you need to take that and put it into an actual script. Make it interesting. Okay, decide who's going to say what. Decide if you want props in the background. Okay, you can look back at those samples I gave you, but you need to start making some decisions on how are you going to record this to make this look interesting and to say something interesting. Okay, think about the loaded words you could use to help prove your point. Make sure your evidence comes from sources that are reliable. At least two of those sources have to be the articles you have. Okay? So make sure you're pulling things from those articles and saying where you got it from. Which article did it come from? Okay, did it come from Views on Zoos? Did it come from that first article that we got? Okay, make sure you identify where you got your information from. All right, so you're piecing that script together. Tuesday we're going to do some more work with the persuasive techniques. I'll introduce those to you. And then Wednesday and Thursday you're recording. All right, so we got to get those scripts done. All right, so right now what you need to do is watch the hyperbole video. It's a short introduction on what hyperbole is. Then work on the articles that you're going to get, and then work on your script. That's all I've got. If you have any questions that you need answered before Tuesday, email me, jstocksf@olatheschools.org. I should be available to respond to you. I'll respond as quickly as I can. That's all I got for now. Until next time, be awesome.